If you want to add extensions in Opera browser, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to find, install, and pin extensions so you can customize Opera and make your browsing faster and easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step browser guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera and look to the top left corner of the browser window. You'll see the Opera menu logo, which is the red O icon. Click that menu to open the browser options. From the menu, hover over Extensions. A new menu will appear, and from there, select Get Extensions. This will take you to the Opera add-ons page, where you can browse a wide range of useful browser extensions. Once the extensions page opens, use the search bar to find the extension you want. You can search by name, by category, or even by what you want the extension to do. For example, you can look for ad blockers, productivity tools, password managers, or shopping helpers. When you find the extension you want, click on it to open its details page. On the extension page, look for the bright green Add to Opera button. Click that button to begin the installation. Opera will download the extension, verify it, and automatically install it within just a few seconds. In most cases, you won't need to do anything else. Once it's installed, the extension is ready to use. Now, if you don't see the extension right away, don't worry. On the far right side of your address bar, you'll see the extensions icon. It usually looks like a small cube or a jigsaw puzzle piece. Click that icon to reveal a drop-down list of all your active extensions. From this list, you can manage which extensions you want to use. If there's one you want to access quickly, look for the small pin icon next to it. Click the pin, and that extension will stay permanently visible on your top toolbar. This is really helpful for extensions you use all the time because you won't have to open the full menu every time you need them. And that's it. You've now learned how to add extensions in Opera browser, find them in the store, install them with one click, and pin your favorites for fast access. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next browser tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.